From Manchester, is it? Hi, Spurs Stadium today. Very determined fans all the way here to see their lovely Queen Beyonce. Thank you for talking to me, girls. Say hi at Spurs Stadium today, cowgirls. You look awesome. Say hi at Spurs Stadium today. Welcome to the Beyonce concert. Do you like Beyonce songs? Could you sing me one right here and now? Nothing? Alright, I'll let you off. Come on, girls. One bar. Alright. Buenos dias. Yeah, we just started. Big up the Spurs fans. Thank you. Look amazing, cowboy. Welcome to Spurs Stadium today. Spurs Stadium today, Beyonce fans. Thank you. Amazing at Spurs Stadium today. Anybody like to sing a song? Spurs Stadium today. You look amazing. Spurs Stadium today. Hey, some big Texan cowboys. Favorite Beyonce song? Go on. Yeah. To the left. Go on. To the right. That's it. Song for me. Anyone? No. Can you sing a Beyonce song? Welcome to Spurs. What's the sing me the first line of Green Light? Come on. Sing the first word. Oh yeah. Very well done, guys. Have you travelled far today?
Yes, we have.
Brilliant. All the way there. Well, welcome and thank you for talking to me today. And have a great concert. Up Beyonce. Thank you.